welcome to my little video here. Quick intro, my name is Fred Bowman. I'm a Senior Application Engineer at Next Gen Solutions, your #1 service provider for all things Autodesk. You're looking for training, you're looking for support, you're looking to get Vault or Fusion or Upchain implemented, or help with CAM and post processors. Well, we are ready to help. So if you need any of that, let us know. If not, let's continue on with the show. So, this episode we're going to talk about how to change your Vault user password. Now, there's a lot of different ways we can go about doing this, depending on how you have it set up. Because Vault is very customizable, they decided to give us 3 different authentication types that you can use when you're setting up your users in the Vault. So depending on which one you choose, changes how you have to change the user password. So for example, starting from the top here, we have the Autodesk ID. So a lot of companies love using that because they already log in with their Autodesk ID to get their Vault license. So why have a separate login to get into Vault? Just reuse what you already have. So if you did make that decision and all of your users are using their Autodesk IDs, then when you go to the manage.autodesk.com website, there under the profile, you can change your password. I will demo all these once we finish the video, this part of the slide, but yeah, you go to that website. If you're using the Vault account, as you can see here, inside the Vault administration options, so you have to have admin rights, you can come in here and change the password. If you do not have admin rights, but you know what your password is, you can actually change it through the file menu. So we do have 2 options there. If you're using your Windows authentication, then you're just using Windows Active Directory. Then you need to talk to your IT or your administrator, whoever is in charge of maintaining that and updating your Windows accounts. So how do we know which type of account we're using? Well, if you're in your Vault client and we do a logout, or if you're logging into your account, either way, you get to this box right here and you'll see the authentication type on top, and you can switch between the options. You'll notice Autodesk ID doesn't have you type in the username and password because it's already using what you were using for your license. Windows authentication will be doing the same thing. It's pulling from who you're logged into Windows as. So I can't come in here and type anything in because it's using that. The only one that lets you type stuff in is the Vault account. So what you were using prior is most likely what you're going to be using moving forward. If you have no idea which of those 3 options you should be selecting, you can talk to your administrator. They can go ahead and check inside of the Vault administration options and see which method was used when your account was created. Alright, starting with the Autodesk ID, you can see here I've logged into my manage.autodesk.com account. It says my name there. I can come up to this little profile button in the top right corner and I can go to the password and security settings. And once I get here, then it will allow me to make changes to my password. As you can see right here, I hit this edit button, then I can confirm what the existing password is and I can type in a new one. There are some requirements for your password, just follow what it says listed there, and when you hit save, your password will be updated. So that's how you do it for an Autodesk ID. If you are using a Vault account and you know what your previous password was, when you're logged into your Vault client, you just go to that File Application menu up here in the corner and go to User Profile. Once in User Profile, you'll see a button, a macro button on the bottom that says Change Vault Account Password. You use that, type in your current password or your old password, and then type in the password you want to be using moving forward and hit OK. And then it will take off and use that one. If you do not know what your password was prior, then you need to talk to someone who has access to the administrator user, or to a user that has, a Vault user that has admin permissions. Then they will come to the Tools menu, Administration, Global Settings, and on the first tab inside Security, they can hit Manage Access. From here, they will just simply have to select your user account, just do a simple double click, and then hit Accounts. Inside of the accounts, they can come in and type in the new password. See here, they don't have to know the old password, they just type in the new password you want to use moving forward, and then hit OK, and that will apply that password to it. All Alright, and that here concludes my quick video on how to change passwords inside the Vault, depending on what authentication method you guys are utilizing. If you guys have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, and you want to reach out to me or my team, feel free to visit our website or give us a call at 888-310-2674. Thank you very much.